Okay, so the first step says to change the name of the sheet to the longitudinal data set. So I will click down here and type in the new name. And change the view from normal to page layout, view, page layout. Then step 2 says to create the following customized header in the center section of the spreadsheet. So I'll start by typing the first part. 2017 Air Mathematics scores, and then to insert the sheet name, I will hit that button there, and then we have the new name and the header. Then the next step is to calculate the class's mean scores for each year of the AIR test. So I will go down here and start typing in the formula. Then highlight this column all the way up and put the close parenthesis. And then to get the rest of the averages, I just drag that across. And then to get the decimal points on the next step, I just go there and drag it across again. So now it is to the 10th. Then for the next step, I will insert the sparklines, and there's already one up here, so to get it in the rest of the rows, I just drag it down, and there's a sparkline. Then to sort the class's scores from lowest to highest, the next step says, I will highlight everything above the means, and then data, sort, and we want to sort by 2013 scale score, smallest to largest. Okay. So now that it's all sorted, the next step is to create conditional formatting rules. So again, I will highlight all of numbers, go to home, rules, and the first range is 290 to 380, and then we had to do custom. Fill is dark red, font white. Okay. Then the next one is 381 to 399. Light red fill. Fill light red with dark red text. Okay. The next one is 400 to 428, and that is yellow fill with dark red text. Yellow fill, font, dark red. And then the next one is between 429 and 449, and that says green fill with dark green text. Oops, I just noticed that the last one had dark yellow text, so let's go back and fix that. That one was 400 to 428. Yellow fill with dark yellow text. There, that's fixed. And then our last one is going to be greater than 450, and that's going to be a custom one. Fill, dark green, font, white. Right, let me just check. Okay, So now we have them all colored properly, and the last step is to create a chart to include Mount Union School and the state means scores. Make sure your chart includes an appropriate title, 5 years of data. Okay, so to do this, I'm just going to highlight 2 students and the means. Insert graph. Let me just make this bigger. And for the title, I will just, whoops, let me go back. Comparison between student ID numbers 8 and 6 and the school and state means. Okay, and then for this is whoops, didn't mean to do that. And this gray one shows student number 8, red shows student number 6, light green shows the school means, and then dark green shows the state means. So now I have the graph and everything completed.